back to my channel. It's been like forever. So my name is Folakemi and I live here in Lagos, Nigeria. So if this is your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome. Don't forget to click on the like button, please, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be able to get the notifications. I talk about hair, beauty, lifestyle. Yes, for now. So you're welcome, and yeah, if you've been here before, thank you again for seeing my video, clicking on it. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to click on the like button as well. So yes, today we are unboxing. I ordered a package from my relaxer. I use Mega Growth relaxer and shampoo for my hair. So this is what I ordered, guys. This is their queen kit. Like, the whole of this is their queen kit. And actually, when I made the order, I didn't know that they were going to, like, the packaging is just, I love the packaging. And then I made another for this. Like, they have this TCB brand on their website for the hair spray and like hair food, like hair cream. So I made the order for that. We're unboxing everything in this video, so don't go anywhere, just sit back, relax. And this costs about 11,000 naira plus, less than 12,000 naira. But if you're in Lagos and you make an order from 12,000 naira and above, it's free delivery. So this was 11,000 plus. Then what was here, what is here was about 1,000 plus, I think. So yeah, so my total order was about 12,324. So if I can remember, I really can. And I'm looking for my receipt. I think I kept it somewhere. So everything was it was just, it's amount to a free delivery for me. And when I made the order, I really love, you will receive a confirmation in your mail that you made an order. And one thing I love about them, about this, their service is just so good. Like, a day before, delivery in Lagos takes I think 2 to 3 working days, if I'm correct. Guys, I'm really not sure, but I think 2 to 3 working days. I think I made an order on Monday. I received it on Wednesday. I received it on Thursday, I think. Yeah, I received it on Thursday. They will call you a day before to be sure if you're going to be around to receive your package, and which I think is a very good thing, because at least if you call me and I tell you I won't be around, they can be able to reschedule my delivery, which actually makes it's made a lot of sense. So yeah, like I said, this is like a TCB. I ordered for the spray and hair food, which is what I can just call hair cream. So I have my scissors here with me, guys. Okay, yeah, so this is the spray. I love the way they just did their packaging. I have a hair business running too, and whenever I want to deliver it to my customers, I make sure the packaging, because there are some products that you wouldn't want any damage to delivery. So by the way, if you don't know about my brand, I have BFS Hair and BFS with tools. I'll put the link to my Instagram page on the link down below. For custom made wigs, BFS Hair. For wig around BFS Hair, I'm in Lagos. And for wig products and tools, BFS with tools. So you can check me out on Instagram. My website is coming up very soon. You can send a message to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link is on my Instagram pages. Yeah, so please don't forget to check that out and patronize your girl. And once again, if you are still watching, don't forget to click on the like button. Be cool. Don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, you can drop them in the comments section. TCB Naturals. I ordered this for my natural hair because they say it's like a living moisturizer. Yeah, so I made an order for this. Yeah, so this. Then I purchased the hair food as well. Okay, this came with a thank you card. This is the hair food. Yeah, this hair cream, I think should be nice. Yeah, smells nice. So I got this, so that I just didn't want, I wanted my order to amount to 12,000 naira. So that was why I actually made the purchase of this too. So yeah, now to the real unboxing of the day. Drum roll, please. Just do the drum roll. Boom, 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 boom. Bam. Guys. So let's unbox. So this is their queen package. Yeah. This is the queen package. no. Ooh, I have a freebie, guys. Just guess what the freebie is. Who doesn't love freebies? I love freebies though. See, so this is it, guys. See my freebie. I love it. So yeah, this is the relaxer. This is the relaxer right here. Okay, yeah, and I ordered for Sensitive because of my growth sensitive care. This is the relaxer, so I'll be relaxing my hair this weekend, hopefully. So this is the relaxer, and I love this towel. Okay, I ordered for, okay, the like I mentioned, it's the queen kit. So the queen kit comes with it entails the English. It entails the relaxer package. This is the anti-dandruff hair kit. The anti-dandruff hair kit comes with the shampoo, the conditioner. There's one white something I'm seeing here. Guys, I don't know if I should unbox this thing or I should just wait. This is the anti-dandruff hair kit shop. This one, it comes with the shampoo, the treatment, the spray. So I'll be using this, and according to what I read from their, I think from their page, Instagram page, you can't use this when you're relaxing your hair. This is like 2 to 3 weeks after you've relaxed your hair, when you want to do like another wash. Don't use this immediately you relax your hair, in case you've purchased it from them. They even wrote it down their page that no, this is the one you will use after you might have relaxed your hair. The relaxer usually comes with a neutralizing shampoo, or you can still use this. I think I'll read more to be very sure, and I'll come back and give you guys details. Yeah, so you can use this. This is the normal relaxer and shampoo. And then I love their leave-in conditioner, and it makes my hair soft. See, this leave-in conditioner and the deep conditioner, I think I will even make another for a bigger size of it later on. So this as well, it comes with that. Then it comes with a growth oil too, yeah, for the queen kit. And yes, guys, for my freebie, hey, when I deep condition my hair, I can wear this cap. I love this. I can wear this cap when I deep condition my hair. And I have itself Mega Growth Towel. What is the name? Yeah, guys, just look at this. I have this towel as well. So I love this. I love the freebie. This is really cute. This is really cute. So that is all for the queen kit package. Yeah, that is all for the queen kit. So guys, I decided to relax my hair the following weekend. So I'm using the TCB hair cream to protect my hairlines. You know, if you want to relax your hair, just get a petroleum jelly cream to protect your hairlines. And then I used to pack of because my hair was overdue. I actually relaxed 2 times in a year, so my hair was overdue, so I had to use 2 pack for that, and mixed. My friend actually helped with the relaxing, so it was actually very kind of easy. Over a year, it's been like a year since I cut my hair, so this is like 1 year good that you guys are seeing, and it's been off and on because I didn't really, but right now I'm trying to take my time to take care of this hair, because this second year that we're going into now, I must see like a tremendous growth. That's what I'm after. So I'll be taking you through the journey of my hair growth. So she's helping me with the TCB. That's what we used for the hairlines. And yeah, this is it after the hair was relaxed, washed, deep conditioned, and see me using my Mega Growth Towel. And then after that, I used the leave-in conditioner. I blow dried. I actually applied a heat protector before blow drying as well. So yeah, that's my hair, and it actually relaxed well. Burnt, not really, because it actually stayed long, a bit longer than I wanted, but there was no burn. So I think the sensitive care package is actually good. If you have a sensitive scalp, yeah, it's good. So yeah, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.